In this video, I'm gonna explain step by step exactly how I'll go from zero to $10,000 per month as quickly as possible in 2026. But if it's the first time you see me, you might be wondering, why should I listen to this guy in his, bathrobe? Well, my name is Fred. I've made up to $2,600 in profit in a single day selling digital products, aka online courses, working from home, and yes, you saw that right, my bathrobe. The first thing I'd like to share with you is that you should probably stop chasing trends. Instead, sell digital products, because this is what all the gurus are doing. Like when you see somebody promoting dropshipping, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, an AI agency, all of these things, you click on the link in the description and guess what? They all sell a course on how to do the thing they're telling you is so great. Why? Because the superior business model is by default selling courses. Now you can sell courses about literally anything. It doesn't have to be about how to make money so that you can make a lot of money. In fact, I know people who make $20,000 per month teaching other people how to get better at Counter-Strike. It's a video game. There's another guy, his name is Sam. He's on school. You can look both of these guys up. They both make 20 grand per month. And Sam does that teaching other people how he paints. That is nuts when you think about it. Like a few years ago, if you had told me that, I would have told you, like, no way. You can't make 20k per month teaching somebody how to play a video game unless you're like an esports player maybe. And I would have also said that, like, okay, people are gonna pay you like what? $10 to learn how to paint? I wouldn't have believed people could make so much money doing simple hobby things like that. And look, before I tried to sell digital products, I pretty much tried every business model you could think of. I tried to grow Instagram team pages to resell them. I tried the dropshipping thing and I lost so much time and so much money. It wasn't fun. And I even tried offline businesses like selling candies at school and in the neighborhood. And I never saw real success, like actually big tangible money, until I started selling digital products. And by digital products, I'm not talking about PDFs or these kinds of things. I sold online courses specifically. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, why should we sell digital products as opposed to, physical products, an AI chatbot, or whatever the fuck is trending on TikTok this week? Why digital products? What's so special about them? Well, first, they're very high profit. If you get sales from content on social media, your profit is going to be between 85% all the way to 96%. That is nuts. Now, if you're smart and you don't just rely on content, you also run ads. And if you run ads that go to people who've never seen you before, that's what we call cold traffic, your profits, if you do everything right, they're not going to dip below 50% necessarily. And it's still very, very high. I mean, most businesses, offline or even online, they make 5 to 20% in profit. 15% is actually really good profit. No business has 50% profit margins except selling digital products like courses, even coaching. But the upside of selling courses as opposed to just coaching is that coaching requires your time. You gotta talk to somebody. So you can't be working 24 hours a minute. It's just not possible, obviously. Whereas courses, because you sell a product, you productize your knowledge instead of like having a one-to-one session with someone. Now, infinite people can buy it even while you're asleep, even while you're at the gym, etc. So you can really do anything. And that's awesome because that means you're getting sales even when you're not working. And that's when you unlock true scalability. That's when you can go to 10K, 100K per month, and even beyond. When you're no longer selling your time for money. Because that's level 1 when it comes to making money. You sell your time for money. Level 2 is you sell products instead of selling your time. And the other pro is that, like I said earlier, you can make a living doing exactly what you love. Again, there's a guy on school, skool.com, who makes 20k per month, teaching people how to get better at Counter-Strike, a video game. Another, Sam, teaches people how to paint. He makes over 20k per month. A few decades ago, without the internet, without social media, without school, without ads, without content, you could have never done that. That was impossible. Like if you wanted to actually have a living as an artist, you had to number 1, have rich parents, or number 2, be extremely talented like Leonardo da Vinci, and also get a rich sponsor. Most artists were fucking poor. Nowadays, you can be an artist and make a lot of money doing that, more money than most doctors make. That is insane. So I'm really trying to show you that the opportunities are fucking insane right now. The other thing I would do if I wanted to go from $0 to $10,000 a month as quickly as I can is invest in ads. More specifically, I would invest in Facebook ads. They're the platform which has the most people on it active, but also they're known to have the cheapest cost per result, the cheapest cost per lead and per purchase. The thing is that if you only do content, first, it's gonna take months, even years sometimes for you to start getting traction and actually start like making good money from it. If you sell something high ticket, it can be easier to get like a decent revenue per month quicker than if you sell low ticket. If you sell low ticket and you don't have a massive audience, you're not gonna make any money. Like, that's just how the game is. Because low ticket requires more volume. You need more eyeballs in front of your offer. But the good news is, if you go to ads directly, low ticket requires very little money to get started. What my mentor advises, and she's made like at this point almost $10 million with low ticket with digital products, so it's not a random person who said this shit. She advises to start with a very low price, for example, $5 a month for a school community, and then your daily ad budget is 1 to 3 times the price of your product. So in this case, say I start a new membership at $7 a month, my daily Facebook ads budget would be $7 or $14 or $21, anywhere in between those. So as you can see, you don't need that much money to get started. And if you sell a high ticket coaching or a high ticket program, etc., you go to ads and you're gonna make people book a sales call with you. So sales calls funnel, they require more upfront investment. They're more expensive to run because like the sell is huge. Like for example, a low ticket sell at $7, it's cheap, but a high ticket sell at $5,000, it's a lot of money. So naturally, the more expensive your product, it tends to cost more money to acquire a buyer. It's not always the case, but it is true. Like you're not gonna sell a program for $5,000 and it's gonna cost you $7 to get a client. But also with a low ticket funnel, you're not gonna sell something for $7 and then it costs you like $700 to get a client. Otherwise that wouldn't work and nobody would ever advertise anything. So again, a high ticket book a call funnel, you'd start with $50 to $100 a day. A low ticket funnel, you'd start with the price of your product, 1 to 3 times the price of the product per day as advertising budget. And then you increase from there. Like even if you have a lot of money right now, which most people don't, but let's say you do, don't just spend $500 a day on ads or even $100 a day on ads, except if you do the cold funnel. Like even if I were to start a cold funnel right now, I would start it at $50 a day, not more. Because if you start paying too much too soon, you're just gonna overpay Meta. And like there's no use for it. Like do you wanna overpay? No, you don't. Because you need to give the algorithm some time to get some data, to get some traction. And the way that the algorithm gets the data it needs to optimize and to give you a cheaper cost per result is to get conversions. And by conversions, I mean leads or booked calls if you do the high ticket funnel, or purchases or even free signups inside your school community. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. And I know that lots of people, they don't want to go invest money in ads. But let me ask you this. Would you rather just do content and you make $10,000, it's 95% in profit. So you keep $9,500 before taxes. Or you go with ads and you make $100,000 and it's 50% profit. You made $50,000 compared to 9.5K. So yes, comparatively as a percentage, you keep less, 50% instead of 95%, but you made a lot more money. So you made more money overall. Do you see where I'm going with this? Don't just obsess over the profit margin directly. If I told you I've got 5% profits, it sounds really bad, right? But now I tell you I made $10 billion. That's a lot of money. Like even 5% of 10 billion would be a gigantic amount of money. Would you rather have 5% of 10 billion or 100% of $10,000? So that goes to show you profit margins, they obviously matter, but you have to look at them in comparison with how much money you made as well. You can't just look at profit and think, oh, it's the only thing, because no, how much money did you make overall? You can have less profit and make a lot more money overall. And that's exactly why you never want to just isolate one number, one variable, because if you do that, you don't have the full picture. So you're gonna jump to conclusions and it's not gonna be the right ones. And the right mindset that you need to have when you start running ads is that you don't need to worry about being profitable right now from month one directly. Because let's think about it this way. Let's say you start low ticket. It's a school community, you start it at $7 a month. Let's say it takes you $7 to acquire a customer. Most people would think that's horrible because in the first month you break even, you make no money. You might even lose $99 on the school subscription technically. So technically, oh, it's really bad. But then the next month, you make all of that in profit. So you don't just look at month one and, oh my God, what happens in month one? You look at the lifetime value of the customer as well. Because if you spend $7 to acquire a customer which spends, for example, $70 with you, it's a 10x return on your investment. It is fucking massive. You just have to be a little bit patient and track your numbers every single day. Know exactly what you're doing. Because if you don't, you're spending money and just burning money. Now, ads are great, of course, but you should still make at least one weekly long-form YouTube video, exactly like the one I'm making right now. Now, if you don't really know how to make content, you've never done it before, there is a super simple and super easy way to get started. Anybody can do it, even a grandmother, I promise you. So what you do is inside of your program, whether it's high ticket or whether it's a school community, low ticket product, you make at least one post a week. Ideally, you want to do more than that, obviously, but you take one of your posts or one of the posts of your customers, and then you just record a simple screen share or a Loom recording on your computer, just walking through the post and just reading it and commenting it. It is the easiest thing in the world to do. And now, some of the people who come from your ads and don't purchase right now, they're gonna go and actually look you up online. They might go on YouTube, look you up, etc. And when they see you've got a channel, you're posting once a week, you give them so much value, they have to reciprocate it. They literally join your group because you gave them so much value. Or simply because they want the product you're offering. They just needed it a little bit more convincing. The next thing I'd do, if I wanted to go from $0 to $10,000 a month as quickly as possible, is to actually get a mentor. I'd buy a course, I'd buy a membership, a mastermind, etc. Because I would need to learn from the right people who are doing this daily and actually making money with it, getting results from it, exactly what to do. If you just listen to your teachers, to your parents, to your broke friends, what do you think is going to happen? I'll tell you, nothing is going to happen. You are going to be in the same situation months from now, years from now. I've literally done a whole lot of sales calls to sell high-ticket programs with like people who had jobs, people who didn't have jobs, businesses, etc. Like I've done it all. And a lot of people, they want to make more money. They're like, oh, I want to make $10,000 a month. They won't even invest a couple thousand to learn how to make that 10K per month. 10K per month will change your fucking life. But if you're not willing to go and like pay mentors to teach you how to do it, you're never gonna get there. Because there's so many pitfalls, there's so many subtleties, there are so many things to know. And these things, you're not gonna magically figure them out. If you're trying to figure it out on your own, it's gonna be more expensive because you're gonna need to spend some money doing shit that doesn't work, but also it's gonna cost you time. And like the question is, how fast do you want to succeed? Do you want to try and figure everything out by yourself? It sucks, it's lonely, etc. Most people just give up in the meantime. They just give up. And that's exactly why, if I were starting again from scratch, I would just pick a mentor, listen to them, pay them, etc., learn from them, replicate what they're doing, etc., exactly what they tell me to do. And I would pick one niche, one offer, and go all in on it. We validate our offer super easily with cheap ads, and if it works, great, awesome, we scale it. If it doesn't, we turn it off, we go back to the drawing board. We either improve the offer or pick a new one completely. And when you do it this way, it is so much quicker to get feedback compared to just randomly posting shit and you don't know if it's gonna work, it gets like 10 views. That's a fucking nightmare. So as you can see, there's so much that goes into going from 0 to 10K per month and more. So if you don't want to have to waste thousands of dollars on the wrong things and waste months, even years of your life, walking in the dark trying to figure it out by yourself, just click on the link in the description below. I've made a free training which walks you through exactly how I made up to $2,600 in profit in a single day selling digital products, aka online courses. And on that same page, for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free one-to-one call with me directly. On that call, I'm gonna take a look at your current situation. I'm gonna show you why the stuff you've tried hasn't worked yet. But most importantly, I'm gonna give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to follow so you can get your first customers as quickly as possible. Now, I don't know for how long I'm gonna keep taking these free calls with people because I'm pretty busy. I run different projects, etc. I'm always doing new things, I'm always texting stuff. So if I were you, I would go click on the link right now, secure my spot before it's too late. So with that said, I will see you on the call.